Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an API key on ElevenLabs quickly and easily. So first, I want you to log in to your ElevenLabs account and open the main dashboard. So from there, look at the bottom left side of the screen and click Developers. So this will take you to the area where you can access the available developer tools. Next, open the API Keys tab, and any keys you created before will appear on this page. So to make a new one, click create key, then enter a clear name so you can easily remember what key will be used for. After that, you can turn on restrict key if you want to control how the API key can be used, and you may also set a credit limit to help manage the amount connected to that key. Then choose the specific features and permissions that your project needs. And once everything is set correctly, click create key again, and then your new API key will appear on the screen, and you can copy it to your clipboard and make sure to keep the key private and only use it where needed. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.